What is going on, guys? Welcome. I'm your host, Crypto Mikkel here, and coming at you today, guys, with a how-to video. Today we're going to show you kind of how to set up Prohashing. I've been using this here recently just to kind of get my feet wet with the DeFi space on the Binance Smart Chain. So I need BNB, right? I'm in the US, so I can't use the actual Binance website to convert said BNB to Smart Chain BNB because I live in the United States. So a quick, easy solution to this as a miner is to use your mining reward. Since this isn't Ethereum, we have to get BNB, but there is an easy way to do this. So we're talking about Prohashing. All right, so you can use this website. You can earn any coin, almost any coin. Maximize earnings, live historical data, which is kind of cool. You can actually see some of the features of the coins, guys, and you can choose which way you actually want to mine. You can be in a full PPS, which is a paid per share, or PPLNS, which is a paid per last known share, guys, or you can even try your luck in solo if you have the hash power. They do have something that's called like pro switching, which always mines the most profitable coin with pro switching. Pro hashing, custom profit organizing algorithm. So if you have GPU rigs, you can mine the most profitable coin for the GPUs at the time. If it's an ASIC, it'll mine the most profitable coin for that said ASIC's algorithm. You can earn more by pro-hashing the trusted mining program, so you can earn a little bit more by becoming a trusted miner, which is fully signing up and giving email address and extra credentials and stuff like that. Now, you don't have to do that. You can just sign up with just a username. That way you can address where you need to collect your funds and such. You can even mine to charities, which I thought is actually pretty cool. You can choose charities to pay out to, and that makes it nice. You do have 0 fees for all payouts if you hit the minimum. You can get payouts sooner, kind of like it says right here, but you will pay a fee. I'll show you that here in a second. Guys, so this is what I find pretty cool. So with their pro switching between most profitable on script, you can actually earn up to 177% on mining compared to the anchor coin, of which is just 100, and the competitors versus the anchor coin, which is 171. So pro switching supposedly works. I haven't tried that feature out just yet. Right now I'm mainly aiming towards getting BNB. That way I can send that into DeFi and go into places like PancakeSwap and swap it out for here we go, one more click, for Cake and set other coins, and move it to the smart chain. So what I kind of like here, guys, there is 208 payout points. That's a lot. You can get paid out in different coins. You can get paid out in non-mineable coins like Ripple, Cardano, EOS, Tron, Stellar, Neo, BNB in our case. They have auto switching coins, 10 merge mine coins, which would probably be like Doge and Litecoin. Money lost and hacks, none. I like how they're defining that. It's kind of funny. It's a nice little jab. Charity mining, mining modes, electricity tracking. You can put in your electricity and it will track how much electricity you burned, which is kind of nice. Security, 2FA, all the good stuff, guys. Worker disconnects. If you sign up for the emails, you can get, like, if you give them your email, then they'll do all of this for you right here, usually right in this part right here, from notification types down to probably full share details, or worker, nope, security, probably, I guess. But you don't sign up with an email. You can use username and password. There is a referral, guys. There will be a referral link down below for you to use. I suggest you use it. At least somebody. I would like to know how that actually works, if at all. I can't test that because I haven't done it, or I don't have referrals. This is the first video I've made about it, so use it. It helps me. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help me. Let's see. Minimum withdrawal fee. There's none for the minimum withdrawal, but there is a fee if you want to get paid out sooner. So I find it interesting. They do have a pretty high fee, guys, which is like 3 point, I think it's like 2.9, 2.9. Mining full streams. Let's see. Pro. Okay, so let's do ETH, because we're gonna mine Ethereum in this case, because it's the most profitable coin. But we're gonna switch it. So let's see. Prohashing. Right there. So 2.9, yeah, so almost 3%. But they do transfer your coins for you and swap them. So, and they don't charge you for a withdrawal. So I mean, you kind of get what you get. But this is the easiest way for me to swap back and forth without having to go to Binance to do this. Now, when you go to, come back to that in a second, guys. So when you gotta sign up, you gotta add a payment option. That is step 2. Step 3 is go to your worker configurator and configure out, and you can configure a worker. The quick start guide, guys, this is the URL. So it's prohashing.com and then algorithm port number. So we're going to mine Ethereum, so it's 3339. And then your username is going to be your Prohashing username. Okay. So tuning your miner, found there. So we've already registered. Now when you go to like add a payout, so like see the default is Litecoin, right? So you would have to add a payout. So here's all the coins that they list, right? That you can get paid out in. You can get paid out in game credit. Ooh. There's some coins that are earning a little bit more right now. Guys, look at all these. That's awesome. There's even Zell down there. So we are going to do Binance chain. I want to have to enter an address. Can I not enter an address? That'd be nice if I don't have to. Boom. Alright, so it won't let me do this without entering an address, so that's not cool. But for the sake of showing this real fast, so the minimum withdrawal, guys, is 0.01, and you can withdraw at that, but there will be a fee associated with that. The free threshold is 0.1, which is about $30. The maximum threshold is here. So the fee estimate would be right here. So if you do down here in the minimum threshold, like it says, any amount below the free threshold occurs a fee. Fee estimates is based on the transactions of the fee in the latest block. So this is about the cost of some of the transactions you'll see on the Binance Smart Chain. So you got to pay 17 cents if you do the minimum of $2.66 or 0.01 BNB. The free threshold is $30. Not that hard to do in times right now with profits being kind of high, or prices being high, I guess. So that's how you do that, and you can set it right here to custom. Like you can even change it. You know, it's set to free, so you can be like, I really don't like that, and I really want like 0.0 say 0.5. Like you would pay a fee on that. You pay this fee right here. And it would pop up here, and then it would tell you how do you want your payouts, 100% in Litecoin, because this won't ever go away. It's a backup coin. Or payout in BNB. I can't show you without putting an address in there. So, sorry. So, once you do that, it's configured and you have it set up. Like, you save it, you're set to mine to BNB. Alright, so we'll do this real fast. So I'm gonna try out, I've been trying out DCAminer, so I just downloaded it to give it a shot. So we'll try this. I don't know. So we're on DCAminer, what, 2.47, guys. Just pop this open. I don't use any, this isn't my stuff, so this is what the default is. So we're gonna do user crypto Michael designs, because that's what I have my username as. I remember it's 3336, I think it was. So we need to go to mining. We don't have a worker yet, so we need, hold on. Yeah, we need to go to worker configurator. So first, it doesn't matter. We're gonna mine ETH hash. Hash rate, say 61 mega hashes, because it's a 3060 Ti, right? Wattage, 110. Just throwing that in there. So this is how much you would earn pro switching versus static Ethereum. You're gonna earn more on static Ethereum, it looks like, because there's nothing else to really pro switch to. So static coin, ETH hash, Ethereum. So this is what you put in there. So Prohashing, just like we thought. Boom, server Prohashing, 3339, Crypto Miguel Designs. Password. Like that. Let's see. Is that the password call for? No, it's pass. So dash pass, and then I need to do dash devices and only do the 3060 Ti. One, because it's the second card. Looks fine. Save it. Click exit. And we'll run it. Alright, so 3060 Ti. Doing good. I don't know why it does that. It's the same overclock that I use in Finalizing, and it still says that on DCAminer. I'm not really sure why it does, but it still hashes, I guess. We'll see. I've noticed this once before, a little bit before testing, and nothing seemed to affect it. I lowered clock a little bit, still was there. Incorrect algorithm. Yeah, see, that's what I thought. Because I put just ETH last time in it, like on my actual account, my testing account, and it worked just fine. So we'll pull this up and see what it says. Something wrong with the overclock settings. I don't know why. We'll see. We'll see if we get an accepted share. That'll be the main thing. We'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. We had to change miners. DCAminer just kept giving me rejected shares. So we changed back to Finalizing. If you want to see the bad file, this is exactly how you do it in PhoenixMiner. -p a -s hash and then -d and then for device. And that's how I have it set up here. There's my clocks, pretty conservative. I can actually usually push this a little bit higher, but I'm kind of streaming right now. Even though I'm streaming from a different GPU, this one still takes a little bit. So you see it is here and it is running currently as we speak, guys. So you can see 59 mega hashes. You can see all the stuff. And if you want to get like live details, guys, you can click mining and you can get pretty far into the details of what's going on. As it goes on, once blocks have been found and stuff like that, you can see full details of shares, how everything's working out, rejected shares, subliminal shares, which still pretty much would be, technically is still an accepted share. And so you'll see it here on your dashboard of everything you'll get paid out in. Like right now the default, I didn't want to give my BNB address out, so I just left it as default. But of course we showed how to set it up. And this is just set straight here to the default. And as you can see, tells you that balance summary, tells you coins you're paying out, errors, if there was an error in a payout. Like when it goes to payout, it'll give me an error if it hits that. Because but you can only get one payout every 24 hours, guys. So at 12 a.m. Eastern time, so it's 11 a.m. Central Standard Time for me, cool standard time. I get payouts every day if you reach payout threshold. So, and it'll show here full details of all of that. So I mean, this is a cool way to earn your passive mining rewards into something like BNB or anything that you want to hold. And for that matter, I mean, we saw all the list of coins that you can use, but in my case, I'm using it for BNB to go to places like PancakeSwap and stuff like that for the Binance chain wallet. So, guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, just please drop them down in the comment section below. That way I can help you. Please like, subscribe. Would greatly appreciate it. Hit the bell notification so every time that we do go live here, or if I post a video, you get notified. I would greatly appreciate it, guys. Much love. Please use the referral code to sign up for this if you would like to use it. I would greatly appreciate it, and I would love to know how it actually works. So please let me know, guys. Catch y'all later on in the next one. Peace out. Keep on mining, guys.